Hello, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and welcome to the Market and Holly update for Wednesday, April the 18th. Well, let's take a look at how the markets ended up today. Let's look at the Russell 2000, the small caps using IWM, and you can see here we did gap up a little bit and had a nice gain through the day, but we did give most of it back. So it ended up being a doji candle, as you can see there, but yet we are still on that trek higher. So after the nice gains we've had, we've got to expect a little bit of consolidation and gathering there. The Qs, had a nice day there as well, up for the day, looking good. The IBB, another doji candle, same thing, went up and bounced around a little bit, but pretty much closed just about where she opened up at. And the SPYs gapped up and ended up closing down a little bit from the open, so just a little bit higher than yesterday's close. And the diamonds had yet another day where they pulled back a little bit, but same thing, we could be just consolidating, getting ready to go for the next leg up. So let's see what happens and how that pans out. Quick look at gold, and you can see we gapped up and then we pulled back. And we look at the 20-year Treasury bonds, and they did pull back today. You can see here pulling back throughout most of the afternoon here. So that's how we're looking there. And let's go ahead and get a quick look at Holly and see how she ended up today. And you can see here on my chart here, the risk off profit was $1.07. And it took a little bit while to get her footing going, and then the histogram shows she came up and she gave a little bit back, but closed at the $1.07 risk off. $1.28 profit, and for much of the day she was much higher. And gave up some of that at the end of the day, but it was a risk on day, so that looked real good. We had 3 short trades for a loss of 7 cents, 24 long trades for a profit of $1.14. And if we want to take a look at some of the, just the stats there, you can see the different strategies she had here. And we had, one short strategy had the 100% of winners, only one trade. And then you can see the breakdown here. We had 2 trades for the power hour long, 100% success there. Nice chat. We had 6 trades today and 83.3%. Buyer stepping in, 66.7%. The continuation, 66.7%. Quarterback at 60%. Nickelback at 50%. And then the selling short, she was 50-50 on that, and on support only 33 1/3. And once again, if we look at her long trades here, you can see the breakdown. Most of them she got out for timed exit, and so if you look through many of those, what you would see is she got out, and then there was still a lot of alpha left in the trade. So it's really interesting when you get into some of these trades. Let's look at the short side real quick here. And the ALTR, she did do a little bit there, and there's a little bit more alpha on the bone there she could have got, but then it gave that back. So all in all, Holly had a very good day again, so we're having a good week with Holly. And I would just invite you to follow our blog at bullseyetrader.com, like us on Facebook, Twitter, and StockTwits. Make sure you hit this thumbs up button for me, like this video, and go ahead and share it if you would, please. And I want to thank you, and God bless.